Hey everyone, once again, you know who it is. It's the Garage Door Man 82. What are we doing, guys? Figure I'd touch base with everyone on YouTube. My lovely YouTube viewers. I would like to thank you for all for subscribing to my channel. It is up to 133 subscribers. Keep subscribing, guys. Keep hitting that thumbs like button and keep smacking it good and smacking it hard. We'll go ahead and give you a run of the door. Hang on, guys. Just give me a minute. Just hang on. Okay, we'll give you a run of the 8500. You all know what the lovely 890 Max. 895 Max, I should say, sorry. As usual, nice and quiet, just the way I like it. We'll go ahead and run it up once again using the 895 Max. I don't know. This is 890. No, God, guys, you gotta excuse me before I say, jeez. This is the 890, guys. I'm sorry. If you guys make some comments saying it's the wrong thing, I understand, guys. You know, if you make a comment about that, that's fine. I don't care. I'm not thinking clearly today. It is the 890, guys. I'm sorry. Once again, let's go and use the 890 instead of the 895. The 895 is the receiver that goes in your car with the LED lights. That's what that is. This is the 890, guys. I'm sorry. But there is something else I want to show you. Check that out, guys. Nice and quiet. Just the way I like it. Okay. Looking at my garage door. Everything looks good, right, guys? Garage door's intact. Opener's hanging. Everything looks good, right? Why don't we take a look around in the back of the garage here? I'm going to do something a little different here, guys. Why don't we go pan around? Whoops. What'd I do, guys? Go over here. Whoops. What's that, guys? And we come over here. What is this? Well, you guys, as you all know about Florida, you've heard me talk about it several times, and I'm not afraid to put it in my videos. I know I'm not going to tell you what town, and if you're thinking that. But anyways, this is the 890 Max. Good little thing. But there is something I want to show you about this door. Alright, screen, right? Okay. You got a screen, you got a couple windows. Well, let me show you guys. I can't do this with you in my hands. I wish I could, but I can't. Let's see. Hang on, guys. If I can keep rolling, I'll do it. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to, guys. You just got to give me a minute. Hang on. Just hang on, guys. Just hang on. Just give me a minute. Hang on. This stupid plumbing's going to be in my way. Yeah, it ain't gonna work, guys. I was gonna use my thing to hold my phone, but it won't work. Alright, hang on, guys. Let me pause this. This is getting stupid long. Hang on. Alright, guys, I'm back. I got the phone leaning up against something. Let me show you what I'm gonna do with this door here, guys. You're all probably wondering, screen, right? Windows. Well, let me show you what I'm gonna do here, guys. Hang on. First thing, you're going to remove your screen. First thing you're going to do. Get this out of your way. Now, I would show you guys taking the windows out, but I had to take the screen out. So we're going to put these windows in. Hang on, guys. Just give me a minute here. Hang on. Okay. Oops, that one's on a hanger. Okay. You got your top window in. Now, we're going to set this aside. Power receiver. Let's go and put this in. You're going to simply pick up your wall shaker and set it in the door. Now carefully, guys, without damaging your door or your air conditioner. Now you simply place the air conditioner in your door like this. Make sure your storm door is closed and make sure your main entry door is open. Now, you got your air conditioner cord. Go ahead and just set that to the side. Now you're going to put your second window in. Same process, guys. Take your window. Slide her on up. Release the little tabs on your window. Lock it. Now we're going to drop the window. Or simply just squeeze on the little tabs and lowering the window. Just like that, guys. Perfect. Now, when you want to use your air conditioner, you can. Look at that. That's cool, isn't it? Now you can use your air conditioner when it's hot out, like here in Florida. And now, when you want to go from air conditioning mode back to AC, or back to screen mode, you just simply do this, guys. Come back to your window. Squeeze the little tabs. Lift up. Make sure it's locked so when you're working here, this don't fall in your hands and smack it. We're going to remove the AC now. But simply by removing the AC, take your AC, set it to the side, go and pull your windows back out. Once again, take your windows, set them to the side. Take your top one, same thing, set it to the side. Now, we're going to grab our screen, once I showed you, and we're going to put it in the door. And you're going to better working here, guys. Hang on. Oh, come on. And I'm going to take this. I'm hoping my neighbors ain't watching me while I'm doing this. Hang on. This shouldn't be this hard. Sorry for making it ridiculous long, guys. I do apologize for that. There we go, guys. We finally got it. And this is stiff breeze day, guys. Go ahead and let's get that back in there without damaging the screen. That's now, say it's a little too cold and you want to leave the screen in the window. Go ahead and reinsert your storm windows. Just like this. There we go. Latch. Take your other one, same thing. Take your other storm window. Go ahead and insert it in the opening. Once again, you're going to squeeze a little tabs. Voila. Done. And then, when you want to use the door to exit, you just open it like a normal storm door. This one swings in the garage because obviously, you know, the super door opens out, guys. So that's how that works. And then, when you want to close it when you want no breeze, voila. Alright, guys, that's how it works. When you want from there, open it. So there you go, guys. That's how that works. I hope you enjoy. As you all know me as the garage door 82 man. And I want to tell you guys, that's how that works. So there you go. There's my new storm door. It shows you how to put the air in and everything. So there's the Chamberlain. Chamberlain's still hanging, guys. Not gone yet. It will be. Just waiting on the guy. You know, waiting when he wants to buy it. So. Alright, you guys, I'm out of here. This is going to be a 10-minute video. Hopefully I didn't bore the living daylights out of you guys. Once again, guys, you know the slang. It's the Garage Door Man 82. Holler and pop your collar. And have a good one, guys. Have a good one. Once again, holler and pop your collar. Keep subscribing. Keep hitting that thumbs likes up button. Keep smacking it, and smacking it, and smacking it. And smack it hard. Alright, guys. Holler and pop your collar. Over and out.